Hi parents, welcome to our Reach Up and Learn Toys Corner. We want to keep our little scholars going. So here's how to use our toys for early stimulation. Let's go! Hi parents, today's toy is the face puzzle, and there's so much you can do with the face puzzle, like working those fine motor skills. There's so much that you can do with your children. Have conversation, talk about the body parts. This toy is so much fun for 3 and 4-year-olds. It helps with our fine motor skills as well as cognitive skills. This is how this toy works. Have the child take out the pieces, working those little muscles. It can be difficult, but if the child needs help, you can assist. Now ask the child to put back the pieces together. While he or she is doing this, you can have conversation. Say, Emily or John, can you put the eyes in? They are diamond shapes. Ask what colors they are. The colors are blue. And you can also ask what the body parts do, what the ears are for, what does the nose do, what do we use our mouth for, and you're all done. Remember to praise your child. Say, good job. Remember, reach up, play, interact, talk, learn.